Hello everyone! Today I will teach you how to cook delicious candy. In one, we have a piece of butter, 3 tablespoons of dry milk, powder, and can add powdered sugar. Now always mix over low heat until the clay mass. Then scoop the balls. You can add chocolate sprinkles, but it's to your taste. If you have cocoa powder, you can simply add cocoa to the previously mentioned recipe. And then put the balls in the freezer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we got a very tasty candy. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget about the like and subscribe. It motivates me to release new videos.